welcome to another episode of Cooking with Debs and Sophia. Now today we're going to make a recipe that's very special to me. It's chocolate chip cookies, but in my house when I was growing up it was always known as daddy biscuits. Now when I was young my dad was diagnosed with celiac disease, and that meant that he couldn't have anything with gluten in, so he couldn't have your normal flour, your normal biscuits, cakes, all of that sort of stuff. But at that time, a good 30 years ago, there wasn't all the availability that there is now of gluten-free products. So my sisters and I learnt to make these biscuits, and they were exclusively for my dad to eat, and they became known as daddy biscuits. Anyway, today Sophia's going to be doing all the measuring and all the mixing, and I'm just here to tell her what to do, because it's time that she learned to make them just like I did. So first off, 6 ounces of that one. Oh, chocolate chips, 3 ounces. 3 ounces margarine. You good? Yeah. Excellent. Pour that in. Pour that in. Okay, so Sophia's mixed the mixture. It looks really good. It's all come together. And now she's going to grease the baking trays and then make small balls and put them all over the baking trays. I think Sophie's done a brilliant job making these cookies. I just need to tell you, we cooked them at 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit, which is gas mark 4. Ours actually took about 14 or 15 minutes because they were quite big. If you make the balls a bit smaller, I would go for about 10 minutes. So maybe start at 10 minutes and just keep checking them. Okay, Sophie, how did you like baking today?
I think it was good. Glad.
Yeah. And what was the trickiest bit?
I think weighing them out at the same, like how much you had to put in.
So just being accurate with weighing. Yeah, that will get easier as you do it more. And what was the best bit?
Eating them.
Let's do it.